So, I would like to know where the soul goes when we are during the sleep, and when we are about to die, where does the soul goes?
When we are about to die, the soul doesn't go anywhere. No. But when we die, the soul goes somewhere. Yes. The soul disappears from this dimension and enters quite another dimension, which is a very difficult scientific subject to understand for ordinary people. But Allah had told Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam that there are dimensions and the souls disappear in those dimensions. They never cross the path of the living directly. And the verse which I have so often repeated at this time, applicable to this question, is the verse which deals with Jannat, Arzu Samawat wal Ard. What was the verse? Arduha ka ardi samawat wal Ard. That the span of the Jannah is like the span of the entire universe. Now, when this verse was revealed, Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam understood its meaning perfectly. That it speaks of different dimensions. Because one of the companions inquired from him, if the span of Jannah is as large and as wide as to cover the entire universe, where will Jahannam be? Because Jahannam and Jannat can't be together. So Rasulullah said, it will be there in the same space, but you do not understand. So this is a hadith which clearly shows to us that Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was not a prophet of that time alone. He was a prophet of all the times to come, and he understood the extremely delicate matters, scientific understanding of space, space-time, and things coexisting there and not crossing each other's path. So if he had not understood, he could not have answered this like that. So the soul disappears somewhere in those dimensions.
And what about during the sleep? The same?
What?
When we are sleeping, deeply sleeping.
What about during the sleep?
During the sleep.
While we are sleeping.
That's temporary phase. It's withdrawn and sent back. But the time is about over. In the remaining time, he'll answer this question and I'll go and just have a hurried look at the chapter which I'm going to recite during the Quran class. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.